Bernard. Coach,
Yeah.
first a few opening remarks, creating history this evening, 2 Jamaican clubs on the field for the first time in this tournament, and 3 points. Your thoughts about the performance?
I think
Coach, you can take the micro.
two of them.
Yeah.
All right. I think it was a a very spirited performance from the team. Our lack of preparation would not have enabled us to really put out a stellar show here today. It was not about the show. It was about getting 3 points. Know that we clear these particular hurdles, and we have players who should be returning and players who should be getting better. I think probably going forward we'll be in a much better standing. But as for the game itself, discipline-wise, defensively, we made emphasis of this throughout the course of the week. Some of the more natural attacking players were probably kind of hesitant about the approach, but due to the lack of preparation, we figured that this would have been the best approach. Dunbeholden probably would have been training up to even 3-4 weeks ahead of us. The discipline was good, our goalkeeper came up trumps, and then clearly in these kind of games, on the counter, you get a break. Well, it was a corner, and I think it was a well-taken goal.
All right, we'll open the floor for questions now.
All right, cool. Coach, how impressed are you with your defensive performance? Because
I'm very, very, very impressed with it. This is a makeshift backline. Harding probably would have been the only
experience.
senior experience and regular playing. And today we asked him to play at centre back, a position for which he can play. What I was most impressed about was the discipline that they maintained through course and probably limited Dunbeholden to not many chances. Whatever passed them, the goalkeeper came up trumps. Defensively, the entire team, it could have been better, just especially in the latter part there, when Dunbeholden clearly would have been seeking it. With a little bit more discipline, we could have probably prevented any more threats, but the job is done. Yeah.
As you said, it's a makeshift black line. Notice a lot of new faces in the squad today. How do you feel about the players who made their debut today? Their performance?
Only last night I said to young Matthew Cook, listen, we have a situation here because one of our centre backs is out. You'd have to go and play the left back. Matthew has not played at this level before, but Matthew's father is a very prolific was a prolific goal scorer for Harbour and Reggae Boyz. And of course, he was very much up for it. He has been training with us for a year, hasn't played in the league or the competition before. And he was quite confident about himself. That goal that he scored was very reminiscent of his father. Young Okima Jones at right back, he was very motivated to play this game against Dunbeholden. Nobody could have been more motivated than him, and I think he gave a spirited performance here today. So these two, young Gavin Burton, this season we really wanted him to be playing inside of the middle of the park, but today he had a job to do. And of course, it is possible that he has a fractured hand. He played the game with a fractured hand. So you see, young ones coming through and playing with a lot of character here today and delivering for the team. So I'm really proud of it.
Rashid Parchment, Observer. Coach,
Yeah.
you mentioned the inexperience in the squad. How much did it benefit you playing a team that you're so familiar with rather than one of the team from Suriname?
Organization had to be key here today. As I said before, we took the approach that we were going to be defensive because we would not have had time to really prepare ourselves in our attacking game, right? So it was very good that on the day they decided to exert themselves in that fashion, and I think the experience will be good for them, but that's the result that you get when you're disciplined. Yes, we have more renowned players, and of course people like Harding and Murray and Anglin, and to a lesser extent Johnson. We expect these people to really take the brunt of the responsibility and carry the younger ones, and I think they did admirable today in doing that.
How much is motivating our coach? How much is a boost to push on in the competition?
This is a very big boost for us because we know exactly what we have in the tank, and we know the players that will be available for selection going forward into the next set of games. And I know we're going to be very, very strong.
So you expect to get better then?
I expect to get better. And with the attitude that these guys demonstrated today, hopefully that it gets infectious. And if that's the case, then I think we should be looking at a very good team.
Any other questions? Coach, thank you very much.
All right.
Really appreciate it. Members of the media, there will be a mixed zone that you can also take part of as well. But before that, please return your bibs. Thank you.